Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in the Southwest Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the flight button. And then click on the check-in button. So first you have to give your confirmation number. And then you have to give your first name and your last name. And then if you click on the retrieve reservation button, then you will be able to check in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.